This is the Rotech open-ended ratcheting wrench. It's unique because it's open-end, rotates 360 degrees in either direction, and in the event that it is closed around a hose or fitting, you simply use this lever to disengage the pawls and free spin it off. It's also unique because its head can be swapped out very easily for any of the other different types or sizes of heads that we make for this wrench. You can see them here. We have a line wrench attachment, a full open end attachment, a box end attachment, pass-through sockets, a driver bit adapter, a socket adapter, and open-sided sockets. As well, you can see the tool is scalable, larger or smaller than the 19mm size that I'm going to demonstrate for you right now. Now I'll demonstrate the socket adapter. Now, the box end. When you have room and you need a little extra torque, this wrench was designed for closed loop systems, which is why it's called the open-ended ratcheting wrench. But because of the many different types and sizes of implements available for use with this wrench, it can replace just about any wrench or driver in your toolbox, reducing its weight from about 1,500 pounds to approximately 100 pounds. And when you have the ability to rotate, ratchet, and open end, you have the ability to do many of your tasks more quickly. And the more quickly you can perform these tasks, the more quickly your fleet will be back out there making you money.